Hello guys, good morning. This is Gautam sir teaching you history lesson first. What, where, how and when. The topic is what, where, how and when. In the previous class, I have already told you that manuscript and what was manuscript and what was archaeology. Archaeology means the study of ancient things which has been dug out from the earth. So manuscript and inscriptions, these two elements are very essential to know about history. I am writing here manuscripts. Manuscripts. What is manuscripts? Manuscripts are written by hand. And inscriptions. These are written on hard surface, that is on a stone or any solid metals. Inscriptions are written on solid surface such as copper, gold or any stone. Manuscripts were written on the birch of the tree, on the bark of the birch of tree. In the earlier, in those days, manuscripts were written on the birch of tree. So, these are the two differences between manuscripts and inscription. Palm leaves. Inscriptions are written on palm leaves. Leaves means pattiya, and inscriptions were written on stone, solid or metal. Now, farmers or herders and hunter-gatherers. What is the difference between farmer herders and hunter-gatherers? So we will say farmers, they lived a herders. What is the difference between farmer and herders and hunter and gatherers? So farmers, they lived a settled life. And hunter and gatherers, they lived a nomadic life. मतलब घुमंतु life. This is the first difference. That farmers and herders domesticated wild animals, but hunter-gatherers did not. And farmers and herders lived in a group, but hunter-gatherers lived alone. This is the difference between farmers and herders. Farmers, herders, hunter-gatherers. They lived a settled life. They lived a nomadic life. They lived in a group. They lived alone. They domesticated animals. Farmer and herders domesticated animal, but hunter and gatherers no. This is the difference between farmer and hunter and gatherer. Now I am going to tell you about some animals. So about animals, we will say sheep, goat. इसका क्यों होता था? इसको क्यों पाले जाते थे? It might have been used for milk, wool, milk दूध, wool मतलब ऊन, and meat मांस के लिए sheep और goat पाले जाते थे. आज भी पाले जाते हैं. इससे these might have been used for milk, wool and meat. Oxen were used to carry loads. वजन ढोने के लिए ऑक्स को इस्तेमाल किया जाता था. Buffalo were domesticated to gain or to in the view of getting milk, pig, इसको मांस के पर्पज से इसको पाला जाता था। तो इस हिसाब ऐसे जानवर पाले जाते थे। अब कौन पाले जाते थे? हंटर गैदरर्स नहीं पालने का काम करता था, उसका काम था हंटिंग। जब हंटिंग होगा, दे यूज्ड टू माइग्रेट फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेसेस, while farmers and herders lived a settled life. Now, kings and farmers. Kings and farmers. So, as you know, there was a big difference in regard to their lifestyles. Kings led a luxurious life. उसका शान शौकत रीति रिवाज उसका अलग अपना लाइफ स्टाइल था, लग्जूरियस था। किंग्स लेड ए लग्जूरियस लाइफ, बट फार्मर्स वर्क हार्ड, दे वर्क वेरी हार्ड टू ग्रो क्रॉप्स। किंग्स लिव्ड इन ए बिग पैलेस, while farmers lived in a hut. These are the two differences between kings and farmers. Now, archaeology. What do you mean by archaeology? Archaeology, the study of the remains of buildings made of stone and bricks, painting and sculptures. ये आर्कियोलॉजी में आता है। इसका जो स्टडी करता है, who study these things, ancient things, are called archaeologists. मतलब पुरातत्वविद। जैसे कनिंघम को कहा जाता है फादर ऑफ आर्कियोलॉजी, कनिंघम। और दे ऑल्सो डिग अंडर द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ। जब अर्थ के सरफेस को उसको इसका एक्सकेवेशन होता था, जब उत्खनन होता था, तो ढेर सारी चीजें मिलती थी। स्टेच्यू हो, क्वाइंस हो, या टूल्स हो, वेपन्स हो, बिल्डिंग्स हो, एंड सम थिंग्स वेर मेड ऑफ स्टोन्स। एज यू नो, क्वाइंस, सिक्के जो होते थे वो तो लोहे के होते थे, लेकिन टूल्स, उपकरण जो भी होते थे, वेपन्स जो होते थे, टूल्स, वेपन्स एंड बिल्डिंग्स could have been made of stone. ये स्टोन के बने होते थे। इसलिए यदि पूछा जाए कि स्टोन से बने वस्तुओं की सूची बनाइए, we will write tools, weapons, buildings and etc. Now, the ordinary man did not keep a record. Why? Because they were not literate or they did not know how to read and write. So, there was a community scribes who recorded all the events. Ordinary men did not keep a record of what they did because they did not know how to read and write. Okay? main topics जो है, अब है crafts. You know crafts में क्या आता है? Making pots, making utensils, blacksmith, pottery making, inlay work, and spinning and weaving of cloth on handlooms. So, and who work these profession are called crafts person. जो इस काम को करता है वो crafts person कहलाता है। इसमें आ सकता है blacksmith, goldsmith, silversmith, pottery maker, inlay worker, and spinner and weaver. Now, the question is, where did the early people live? आदि मानव कहाँ रहते थे? What work did they do? वो क्या काम करते थे? Some of the earliest people lived near the bank of the river नर्मदा। They were hunters, gatherers. अब gatherers में क्या, food gatherers जो होता था, they lived a nomadic life and they collected roots, fruits and other forest produce. ये था gatherers. Now I am going to tell you about Suleiman and Kirtar Hills. Suleiman and Kirtar, these two places were located in the northeast India. Men and women first began to grow crops here. यहीं से सबसे पहले क्रॉप्स उगाने की शुरुआत हुई. सुलेमान्स एंड किर्तर हिल्स ये इंडिया के नॉर्थ ईस्ट में है, उत्तर पूर्व में है. एंड हेयर बिगन ग्रोइंग क्रॉप्स अबाउट 8,000 years ago. Now Garo Hills, as you know, Garo, Khasi and Jaintia, these are the name of hills, and these hills are located in north eastern part of India in Meghalaya state. Garo Hills lies to the northeast India. बेंध्य सेंट्रल इंडिया में था. जैसे मैं ये मैप बनाऊं, ये क्या हो गया,